Welcome to the usage guide video for the RZ020 Motion Sensor Switch. After connecting the switch, the default time delay is 1 min, ambient light sensor value is 25 lux. The switch is in occupancy sensor mode.
When the sensor detects motion, the green indicator light will flash.
Quick guide on how to use the RZ020. Short press the big button can turn on or off the load temporarily. When the time delay expires, the sensor will turn to the last operating mode. Short press the small button can turn on or off the load. The sensor will enter into on or off mode. At this mode, the sensor works as a normal on or off switch and won't turn load on or off by motion detection. When motion detected, the red indicator LED will flash to indicate that the switch is in on and off mode until user press the big button to escape the on and off mode. In occupancy mode, the light will auto turn on, then auto turn off when the selected time delay has expired. Short press the big button can manually turn on or off the load temporarily. In this mode, the motion sensor will no longer control the light on. The light will turn on only when short press big button and auto turn off after the preset time delay. After 30 seconds, the load will only be turned on by pressing the big button. In this mode, the switch will detect motion and automatically turn the light on or off, but it will ignore ambient light levels. This means the sensor will always respond to movement.
Adjusting the mode. To change the mode, press and hold the small button for more than 4 seconds. The red indicator will flash. Flash 1 time equals vacancy mode. Flash 2 times equals occupancy mode. Flash 3 times equals occupancy mode without light sensor. For adjust time delay.
For adjust time delay, you can press and hold the big button for more than 4 seconds to change the time delay. The number of red flashes indicates different time delays. For adjust sensitivity, press both the big and small buttons simultaneously to adjust the sensitivity, light sensor value, or restore factory settings. Both the red and green indicator lights will flash together. By performing these straightforward actions, you can easily customize the sensor's mode, time delay, and sensitivity to fit your specific requirements.